Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do a review slash haul of this Glitter Planet package that I got. It's their January mystery box. So this is the first time I'm ordering from them. So yeah, we're gonna see what I got from Glitter Planet. Oh, and did you guys like the new intro? Leave me a thumbs up to let me know if you liked it. Okay, so black box, really cute, really sleek. Okay, so this is it. They got me a little candy, and this is from England. Yes. Okay, so look at these stickers. Beautiful. I love the gold one. This one, not so much into this style, but let's see. So this is some shell charms. I'll pull that later. I'm not sure what that is. This is cuticle oil. It smells lush. And this is nail glue. I got some tips, but these are some short tips. I don't think I'll be using those. Yeah. Nail foil. And I was so surprised that I got actual acrylic. And yeah, I can't wait to test these out. These are two pretty colors. And I got one more candy. Another jar of acrylic. This is a glitter one. This is nail polish, well, gel polish. This is like a chrome powder, and I got some Christmas loose glitter things, which I was hoping not to get, but it's just one thing of it, so I'm not mad at it. And that's a nail tip stand. So here I'm just opening everything so that I can go through them. Okay, so in that bag, it was filled with glitter. I was so excited. Okay, look at these. Is this what they call holographic? This one didn't have a name, but these are so beautiful. I love glitter, but not all the time because glitter is super messy. These are like little shards, so not really like glitter. Okay, and for these, I don't know if I would put it on the nail or inside of the nails. I don't know, but we'll find something to do with that. Okay, so these, I really don't know what these are, but the back of this feels sticky, so I'm assuming it's something to stick on the nail, or like maybe you can cut it up in pieces and stick it on. So this is what not to do with trying to open chrome powders. I didn't know it was gonna be loose. I thought it was compact. Yeah, that made a mess, so I'll clean that. And in here we have some silver decorative pieces. Really nice. I have a gold one to this, but I didn't get it from them. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how the purple looks. Gorgeous color. Look at the brush. Such a beautiful fan. The first coat was gorgeous. It was opaque enough, but I'm gonna do a second coat on that nail and leave this nail as a first coat because I'm gonna put the chrome powder over it. I cured them in the light for 60 seconds, and for this one, going back in and curing it again for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm taking the cover of the chrome, yep, and rubbing that all over the nail. Very messy situation. But it is gorgeous. It would look even better over a black background. Okay, so let's get into the nail art. Okay, so for the design, I didn't have anything in mind, but I definitely wanted to use the nail foil and the pink acrylic. So it's like a pink and purple theme. So I'm gonna be using Dreamy and Metallic Plum with that gorgeous nail foil. So this is it. And I love that they have that type of protective seal, the ones you can take off and put right back on. And these are the glitters that I'll be using. So I'm gonna dump those out and start on the nail. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with some foil gel. Put that on the nail, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'll put the foil on top, just using the purple and pink side. Rub that on real good and then remove it. Once I'm through, I'm gonna use the pink acrylic and do like an ombre fade on it. Okay, so I decided to use glitter and put it over the foil, but I believe I should have encapsulated it a little bit first in clear, because I think the monomer was taken off the foil off the nail. So using Metallic Plum, I'm just spreading it all over the pinky nail. It's a very gorgeous color, and these acrylics, they were easy to work with. I would definitely purchase from this brand again. When I see how the owner used them, it looked runny, and that's what I thought it would be, but it definitely isn't. So I guess it's a preference if you would like to work with a wetter bead or a drier one. So do you see how it stays in place? And you can shape it and mold it to your liking. But with this acrylic, it was marbling. As you can see, there's a separation. It's pink and white, but I think that's the type of acrylic this is. I don't think it's on the bottle that says it's a marbling acrylic, but I think she showed this on her page before and said it marbles. That's the function of it. It's a marbling acrylic, but if you want a solid color, you just like pat it out with the monomer or something like that. But it was good overall. I liked it still. And yeah, I'm gonna put more glitter on the nails, encapsulate them, and on the index finger I'll do a full nail of pink. Okay, so for this nail I put a matte top coat over it because I'm gonna do some nail art. This is blooming gel, and I'm gonna use that purple color from the package and create a rose design. Once I am finished, then I'll wipe the sides of the nail and cure it in the light for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so this is the top coat reveal, and this pretty much sums up today's video. I'm really happy with the mystery box that I got with the different glitter and acrylics. The nail stand is different than what I'm used to, but it holds the nail better, so you could do like nail designs or stuff like that much better. No complaints whatsoever. I think it's worth it, and I'll definitely be purchasing from this brand again. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.